This is Villareal House by Stanza Living. Located in the Koramangala area, whether you're in a mood for shopping or eating out, you've got plenty of options to choose from. While Nexus Mall is right across the street, popular outlets like the Koramangala Social and Crawl Street are also nearby. Christ College and the Accenture offices are at a short distance as well. Reach on time every time. Come, let's show you around. Security check-ins were never this easy. With our app-based entry procedure and a 24/7 surveillance system, best believe that your safety is ensured at all times. Now, as you make an entrance, we take the elevator and make our way past the water station. And here you go. Your bedroom is spacious, suited to your taste and beautifully designed for your productivity and relaxation. It's sheer comfort with all amenities at your disposal. An attached bathroom that is kept clean and comes with a 24/7 hot water supply. Now, as we further head upstairs towards the terrace, we are greeted with an enormous dining room where you can treat yourself to some lip-smacking food prepped up by the talented chefs in our FSSAI approved kitchen. Also, with an in-house pantry that's fully equipped, cook whatever you crave whenever you desire. Done with your meal, enjoy the high-speed Wi-Fi as you watch your favorite shows or movies. Or bask in the good view with a hot cup of coffee. Catch up with your friends or indulge in a game of foosball and make the most of your time. This place is bound to be your favorite for sure. We know how much you hate doing household chores. Our housekeeping staff takes care of all your needs at all times. And with the Stanza Living Resident app, we know we have convinced you. So come, live that Stanza life. Villareal House is waiting for you.